Hello everyone, welcome back to Z Lessons. In today's video we are going to solve the 2020 Mathematics Grade 9 Paper 1 Question 16 from the Examination Council of Zambia, ECZ. So this is the question that we are going to solve today. Here is the question. Convert 23.5 to a number in base 2. This question carries 2 marks. So let us get on with answering of the question. As I always do, we are going to answer this question separately because remember it has a fractional part, the 0.5. Okay, so we are going to first of all convert 23 to base 2, then we are going to convert 0.5 to base 2. Okay, so let me indicate it as a step 1. By the way, in the exam there's no need of indicating this, but I found it that it helps to keep track of your progress as you attempt answering the question. Never mind the noise in the background. I'm always found in a busy place, so yeah, I just actually this is even more quiet than it really is. Okay, enough of that. So here's how we solve this problem. Forgive me on this one, this is not included. We are only interested in 23 at this step, which is step 1. So we're going to convert 23 to decimal. So we're going to say 23 divided by 2. 2 into 23, it is 11, remainder 1. Okay, so since this part here, this whole number part is not 0, we are not going to stop until it becomes 0. Or should I say this quotient is not 0. So we continue, we get that same 11 divided by 2. It's going to be 5. Okay, remainder a 1. Then we get this 5 divided also by 2, and we are going to get 2. Because 2 into 5 it's 2, remainder 1. Then we get this 2, we're going to say 2 divided by 2, it's 1, remainder is 0. 2 divides into 2 one time, remainder 0. Then we get this 1 divided by 2, it's going to give us a 0, remainder a 1. So now we are done. Since this quotient after dividing 2 into 1 gave us 0, so we end our division by 2. So now to interpret our answers, these remainders here at your right side are the answers. So after converting this 23 in base, by the way, I need you to be very careful when you're converting this whole number parts. This number here to the left of this 0.5, this number here, we read our numbers from bottom to the top like so, as indicated by this horrible looking arrow. We are going to read our answer as 10111. So we can say 23 base 10 equals 10111. 10111 base 2. So we are done with converting this part here into base 2. Now let us convert the 0.5. This will be very simple. We're going to call it step 2. We should convert 0.5 to decimal. By the way, decimal just means a binary digit with a fractional part, which is the 0.5. So we're going to convert 0.5 into decimal. How do we do that? We need to multiply. Here we were dividing by 2. Here we have to multiply by 2. So 0.5 times 2, we all know that is 1.0. So now when we get a 0 here, this is when we stop our multiplication by 0. Now since on the first attempt we have a 0, we end there. So our answer will be this part here to the left of this decimal part. So this one here is our answer. So this is what we are going to say. Therefore 0.5 minus 10 is equal to 1. We're only going to get this part. We don't need to include this 0. So it's going to be 1. It's going to be 0.1. I mean 0.1 base 2. Or should I say, okay, it's okay. We can say 0.1, or in other words, let me just do this. We can say is equal to 0.1 base 2. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to merge these answers together. Okay, in short, we need to combine them. So we're going to say, therefore, this is the final answer. We're going to say 23.5 base 10 equals, we're going to get this part here, which is 10111, and then we are going to combine this 0.1 here, 0.1, as you can see, base 2. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much, and see you next time, and see you very soon.